Hello, internets. It's your boy. Um, Today with a little different sort of a video because ये चीज आई गेस कुछ दिनों से क्या कुछ सालों से खट्टा कर रही थी मुझे कि let me start from the beginning. I just saw a video of one financial consultant. I don't remember the name, but yeah, he's a big shot. He was helping a guy out, a guy in his 28s, yeah, 30s around, who was earning like 45,000 as is a data analyst or something. मतलब a good enough position, right? Uh, and मतलब the guy had no savings and he wanted uh his finances to be straight, which I always support. Okay, if you want help, you should always ask for help. That is always nice. But the guy was like, I am running like 3 4 EMIs, which are and मतलब एक loan है, loan he took when he was in COVID, मतलब COVID के time पे from his friends because he needed help और तभी he got laid off, and the EMI is for a car and something else. Okay, little EMI सबके होते हैं. So the thing is कि I feel कि हाँ, EMIs and everything, and मतलब बोलते हैं ना, some people might call that guy irresponsible for taking EMIs and such and spending like 37K or 840K out of his 45,000 ka salary. But what I believe is that that's how it should be. Like, the thing is कि everything is so damn expensive, right? It's not a world which was like 10 15 या 20 साल ago का दुनिया. It's not like that anymore at all. Like 15 20 साल पहले, I अच्छे से remember people who were earning like 15 16,000 were earning good enough money, like to give rent and to basically have a good enough life with balanced life and everything. Now, I remember like I used to stay in a 2 BHK house, okay, back in Chembur, in 2008, maybe 8 या 7 के time पे. We were spending like 7,000 or 8,000 bucks in our rent. I was 7 years old, but ये सब बातों में interest था. And मतलब we weren't earning like massively. My dad had an accident back then. That's why our finances were crippled. But we were, मतलब we were having a 7K or 8K में a 2 BHK house, which was like more than 1,000 square feet. Okay, which was nice. Okay, बहुत अच्छा था वो. Right now the same house would be like 40 50K easy in Chembur, Tilak Nagar to be exact. And the salaries haven't changed at all. Like, bro, what is this thing, right? The person back then who was earning decent money is not earning anything anymore, right? That's my core issue. Like, भाई हम data analysts की बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about very high level professions. This is not anything that is cheap. A person who is earning like 45K here in India, okay, 45K per मतलब month के हिसाब से it's like क्या बोलते हैं, around 6 7 lakhs, 6 lakhs I guess, per annum की salary. The same person with the same skill set in America would be earning like almost 10 times that salary. Okay, how do I know this? Because like 5K क्या बोलते हैं, 5 लाख is around 4.5 thousand USD. Okay, it doesn't take a lot of time to just search the salaries, okay, of equivalent roles. I'm a project manager. Okay, I earn around what do you call it, five, okay, 5 LPA. The person who is in the same boat, okay, in America, would be earning around 60 to 70. Okay, ये starting out वो भी बोल रहा हूँ मैं. uh, because it's a high level job, you manage team members already. 60-70K USD is a lot. So why does basically where you are born dictate where your financial status is, right? Even if you have all this skill set and all this everything, okay, you might even be better than others, but because you don't have the financial capability to move abroad, your salary will be like 10 times lower than the person who is abroad. And I'm not even basically saying ki why is this happening, बोलते हैं ना governments need to do something or something like this. This is plain 110% the billionaires, the CEOs का fault, right? बॉस तुम लोग मिलियंस में सैलरी ले रहे हो बोनसेस के साथ you do realize they get like fuck ton of bonuses. A person in a small family, उनके लिए $1,000 are like 1 लाख रुपीज, 90,000 रुपये इंडिया में करेंटली. 90,000 में वो पूरा साल निकाल सकते हैं इजीली. $1,000 और मिलियंस कहाँ पे है? ओके, लाइक 10 लाख के ऊपर. मिलियन 10 लाख भी नहीं, मिलियंस इज अ फकिंग whole as different tier of level, and these guys just have that in expendable income, like expendable income. You matlab, why is the pay gap so damn real? Why is the place dictate your limits in that sense? It's a very बोलते हैं ना god awful thing for me, because I've seen so many good people who are very excellent at their jobs are just stuck, okay, with no growth, no nothing, because the company decided कि for the last 2 to 3 years we will not have any क्या बोलते हैं appraisals, or we will not बोलते हैं ना give the people like 4% का increment or something. Now 4% का 4% का increment, okay, 4% का increment for a person who's earning 1 crore is 4 लाख. Okay, 4% का increment for a person who's earning 3 lakh rupees is not even 20,000 rupees. Okay, that's how shit it is. The job you join the first decides your salary for the rest of your life. Okay, unless you are like job hopping like crazy. Okay, which you will not do. Okay, because तुम एक जॉब पे एटलीस्ट 2 से 3 साल तक तो टिकोगे, because that's how it is. क्योंकि तुम because that's how it is. You मतलब humans, we aren't supposed to basically migrate like crazy. Like हम लोग nomads नहीं है कि बोलते हैं ना इधर इधर चांस आया उधर जाके गधा मजदूरी करते, फिर बाद में यहाँ पे काम खत्म हो गया, चलो 6 महीने 1 साल हो गया, लेट्स गो समवेयर एल्स एंड डू द सेम थिंग एवरीवेयर एल्स. People crave stability, yaar. And even only the people who are like unmarried or who don't have kids have that luxury to do that. Once you get kids, you can't really बोलते हैं ना afford to move around इतना. I am pretty sure like not even 60% of India, 60 भी क्या, 60 भी बहुत बड़ा बोल रहा हूँ मैं, 70-80% of India भाई 5-10 लाख रुपए देखती भी नहीं है. Because that's a huge number. We live in Mumbai. Okay, I live in Mumbai, so I have a very different privileged life compared to people who are in Gaon and stuff. Okay, there were times in my life where time मतलब होता है ना, I'm not saying कि मेरी life perfect थी, but life was hard enough that I was मतलब कभी कभी 1,000 रुपए थे महीने में खर्च करने के लिए, and we were managing. ऐसा नहीं था कि मतलब नहीं हो रहा था, बट राइट नाउ 1000 रुपए में तुम्हें लिटरली कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, कुछ नहीं, इवन द फकिंग ऑयल का बैग। ब्रो, आई रिमेम्बर एग्स 2 रुपए, 2 रुपए से 3 रुपए, अभी 7 8 9 10 रुपए पे पहुंच गए। लाइक for this to happen in so quick of a time in my lifetime, it's crazy. Like, yes, I am financially well off now, because we have Mutena. There are multiple people in my household who are earning. But what if there are not? Right? You're just one Mutena, one hospital bill away from ruin, which happened to me multiple times in my life, and it sucks. It sucks बहुत ज़्यादा खराब अभी. It's like getting back to the guy and the financial advisor and everything. I'm pretty sure basically that's a good life ka choice, okay, to invest money and get matlab give stability to a life where stability doesn't exist, but the core issues will always stand. It's like you are one financial bad decision away from going into debt, and it won't be ever your fault because there are certain responsibilities. हाँ, हमारा खुद का ये चलता है वगैरह, क्या बोलता है, फाइनेंशियल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज मैटर और अ लॉट. लाइक जब तुम्हें गाड़ी वाड़ी की गरज नहीं है और तुम गाड़ी खरीद रहे हो, दैट्स अ बैड फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन. बट वी ह्यूमंस क्रेव थिंग्स. ओके, वी विल वांट टू फिट इन. ओके, अगर तुम्हारे सामने या तुम्हारे आसपास सबके पास एक प्रिविलेज लाइफस्टाइल है, you will want that privileged lifestyle. Okay, no one wants to struggle without any goddamn reason. Hardworking for the sake of hardworking is a thing of past. Okay, तुमने ट्रेन्स की हालत देखी है क्या? तुमने पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट की हालत देखी है क्या? तुमने रास्तों की हालत देखी है क्या करंटली, एटलीस्ट इन मुंबई? इट इज fucking awful, यार. Like, who in their right mind, when given an option to not take that, will not take that? Right? भाई, तुम्हें रास्तों पे, आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड थ्रू बसेस. ओके, आई हैव बोलते हैं ना, आई ट्रैवल टू ट्रेन्स अ लॉट एज वेल. वो गर्मी में मर मर के जाओ, ओके, बस में चिपक के लोगों के साथ, बोलते हैं ना, उनके स्वेट, एवरीथिंग, यू स्मेल एवरीथिंग. एंड देन ट्रेन में घुसने के लिए स्ट्रगल करके, बोलते हैं ना, अपने बैग को संभाल के, एवरीथिंग को संभाल के गेट डाउन ऑन द स्टेशन. फिर वापस फिर ट्रेन या रिक्शा के लिए मगजमारी करो. उसके बाद तुम, उसके बाद ऑफिस में पहुंचते हो. उसके बाद 6 7 घंटे वहाँ पे स्ट्रगल करने के बाद यू कम होम. फिर वापस, हाँ, रिपीट करने के बाद यू कम होम, विच इज अनदर होल एज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. Like, and do that on a 6 day work day for your entire life basically. Now I work in an IT field, so I get Saturdays and Sundays off. But what for those people who don't? Right? It's a struggle, yeah. And companies need to understand, right? If you can uh, give privileges and everything, not privileges भी नहीं, basic human decency लगाओ यार. If a person stays like 25 to 30 kilometers away from the job, okay, give them a work from home if their presence is not absolutely required in the office. You are getting the same job done, so why not get that same job done? No, right? And this is not even, मतलब बोलते हैं ना, like, humanity. Show a little bit of humanity. I hate when people judge other people based on कि भाई, मतलब ये गरीब है या ये अमीर है या what not. Okay, it's a matter of time, to be very honest. Everyone can be अमीर or गरीब. It depends on the context. Okay, very well so. But the thing is, society needs to change. Society needs to figure. Society nahi change. That's the fucking wrong ass one. Okay, that's the trap again. What needs to change is accountability, and what needs to change is that this line, okay, this word pisses me, बोलते हैं ना, to no extent. Nowadays सब लोग सब चीज़ों को सिविल सेंस में ठोक के निकल रहे हैं कि Indians have no civil sense and people have no civil sense and everything else. Okay, bro, who decides that civil sense? Okay, if a road is already dirty, if लाइक तुम रास्ते पे जा रहे हो, वहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन का माल वाल सब रास्ते पे ठोका हुआ है, ओके, कोई रिपेयर करने नहीं आ रहा, हर दूसरे दिन कुछ ना कुछ खोदा हुआ है, ओके, लाइक इफ एवरीथिंग इज डर्टी यू वुडंट कंसिडर, मतलब ना दो थॉट्स नहीं दोगे तुम वहाँ पे ही कचरा डाल के निकलने के लिए. It's not civic sense, it's basically, why would you give extra effort where you don't need to give an extra effort, right? But you do this in the same thing, okay, if the roads are clean, if everything is clean, तुम automatically वो बोलते हैं ना वो जगह साफ रखने का ट्राई करोगे, because it's not civil sense, it's sense. And I am pretty sure it's mostly governments trying to, बोलते हैं ना, deflect their own सेंस ऑफ, क्या बोलते हैं, खुद का प्रॉब्लम किसी और पे धकेलने के लिए कि ये हमारी गलती नहीं है, ये तो इंसान ही यहाँ पे ऐसे लोग हैं, या द पीपल आर डम सो वी कांट रियली फिक्स दैट, राइट? नो, वी कैन द गवर्नमेंट इज स्मार्ट इनफ, द गवर्नमेंट हैज़ द रिसोर्सेज टू डू ऑल दिस, राइट? जो लोग खोद रहे हैं वही रास्ता बना क्यों नहीं रहे, और तुम इतना खोद क्यों रहे हो? कांट, मतलब इवन अ किड हु नोस कि हाँ यहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट का काम होने वाला है, यू विल नीड एक्स्ट्रा पाइप्स, यू विल नीड एक्स्ट्रा प्लम्बिंग, यू विल नीड एक्स्ट्रा केबल्स एंड शिट, ओके, यू कैन जस्ट गेट अ साइड में डक्ट और समथिंग वेर यू कैन इंस्टॉल दैट. ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लगेगा, ज़्यादा एफर्ट भी नहीं लगेगा, ये 10 बार क्यों खोदना है तुम्हें हर बार के लिए, राइट? तुम्हें पता है बिल्डिंग्स कहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट कर रही है, जस्ट कनेक्ट देम, नो, रास्ते तो बनाए ना तुमने, तो क्या जो खोद रहे हो उसको जरा साइड में खोदो, रास्तों के बीच में क्यों खोदना है? लाइक यू हैव ऑल दी सीवेज का डक्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? जस्ट डिग अ लिटिल बिट बिलो देम. सीवेज कनेक्ट तो कर ही रहे हैं ना सब कुछ सब जगह पे. व्हाई डू यू नीड टू डिग एवरीथिंग इन द मिडल ऑफ द रोड which you know are मतलब बोलते हैं ना is you will need access to later on down in the line. uh you know, it's manufactured chaos at this point is what I believe. Like, keep people struggling enough, keep all the accountability with the people themselves, तो जो लोग पावर में उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना हो, which sucks, okay, we shouldn't do that. If I have servants, if I have people who are coming to help me in the household, okay, servants भी बहुत पुराना word हुआ, but if I have house help and everything, I will want them to have a decent life, you know. उनको खाने के लिए मिल रहा है, उनको बोलते हैं ना अच्छी लाइफ जीने के लिए मिल रही है. I would want that. Like, why do people need to have 2 jobs and three jobs just to have within a basic decent chance at living? That's something we need to figure out. That's something we need to ask the governments and the people who are employing us. Ki, why can't you just give us a basic decent living salary to match the current living standards which are going all around? But yeah, that was my rant. Uh, I know it is a little weird. But this came from my heart. Uh, I will be back, I guess, with vlogs and stuff, jaldi hi. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This has been your senpai. Sign out now. Bye bye.